Using onboard credit on Carnival is a great way to enhance your cruise experience and make the most of your vacation. Onboard credit is essentially a monetary credit that can be used to pay for various expenses and activities on the ship. To start, it's essential to understand how you received your onboard credit. This could be due to a promotion, a gift from a friend or family member, or even a credit from a travel agent. Once you have confirmed that you have onboard credit, you can begin to use it. The first step to using your onboard credit is to check your onboard account. This can be done by logging into your Carnival account online or by visiting the guest services desk on the ship. Here you can view your current balance and see what expenses are eligible for onboard credit. Onboard credit can be used for a variety of expenses including drinks, specialty dining, shore excursions, and even spa treatments. To use your credit, simply let the staff member handling the transaction know that you would like to use your onboard credit. They will then deduct the amount from your account. It's also important to note that onboard credit is non-transferable and must be used during your cruise. Any unused credit will be forfeited at the end of your voyage. To avoid this, make sure to plan ahead and use your credit wisely. In addition to using your onboard credit for expenses, you can also use it to purchase gifts and souvenirs from the onboard shops. This is a great way to bring home a reminder of your trip without having to pay out of pocket. To get the most out of your onboard credit, consider using it for higher-priced items or experiences such as a wine tasting or a specialty dinner. This will help you to maximize your credit and make the most of your cruise. Overall, using onboard credit on Carnival is a straightforward process that can help to enhance your cruise experience. By understanding how to use your credit and planning ahead, you can make the most of your vacation and create lasting memories.